अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है 11th क्लास के लिए हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से लिया है। तो दैट इज़ चेंज इन मोटिवेशन इज़ इन परसुवेंट टू एंटरप्रेन्योरियल एक्सपीरियंस। इसी पे आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। इसको हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। Finally, an attempt has also been made to delve into the motivational dynamics of our sample entrepreneurs, mainly based on two cues. One, human needs, as suggested by Abraham Maslow, follow a hierarchical order from lower to higher order needs. Number two, motivation to start a business enterprise and to remain there could be different. For example, researchers have elaborated how the entrepreneurial goal succession, that is motivation, in terms of changing in entrepreneurial roles, change in response to derive change in response to diverse factors such as the firm's internal and external developments and the entrepreneur's perception of these. For example, as the business grows, the entrepreneur is required to play the role more of an implementer, that is manager, rather than that of a doer, that is workman. Likewise, competitive situations may compel the entrepreneur to assign more consideration for achievement of business results than enjoy the personal autonomy. In other words, the entrepreneur needs to embroider his actions and roles in such a way as to suit to both the individual and organizational goals. Such a shift in entrepreneurial roles is called entrepreneurial transition from role playing to role making. It thus shows that the change in goal succession results in change in entrepreneurial motivation, also called motivational dynamics. Based on such background, we also try to know the change in the motivation of our sample entrepreneurs. तो ये जो हमारे बोर्ड पे टेबल है, यही इंफॉर्मेशन है. Change in entrepreneurial motivation is in pursuant to experience. That is, at start क्या है, pursuant to motivation क्या है. स्टार्ट में क्या थी, जब वो मोटिवेट हो गया तो उस वक़्त क्या थी. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, दैट इज सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. नेचर ऑफ वर्क, स्टेटस. ऑटोनॉमी एंड पावर, नेचर ऑफ वर्क. Status, deontic. Affiliation. Deontic, autonomy and power. As seen from the table, some significant changes in entrepreneurial motivation pursuant to entrepreneurial experience are worth noticing. Two motives, namely self-actualization and affiliation, out of 6 motives have not changed. That is, retained their ranks what were at start. This is quite understandable in the sense that an entrepreneur always needs to earn certain income to discharge his economic responsibilities. This is particularly so in view of serious threats by business environment posed to the survival of small enterprises. The recent competition bill of the government of India, for example, has become deterrents of small scale enterprises. As such, small enterprises have to earn minimum revenue for their survival. Status and deontic motives move up two steps each. There is research evidence to believe that once a need is satisfied, it ceases to remain as a need and then a higher order and altogether different need emerges. Having fulfilled economic requirements, it is expected that entrepreneur may perceive need for status and recognition and also may have feeling to perform his duty of running the business for the benefit of others, that is family members. Therefore, upward movement in motives like status and deontic seem well in order. What is most worth noticing is a complete metamorphosis in autonomy and power motive, moving downward from third rank at start to the last rank, that is sixth, and pursuant to the entrepreneurial experience over the period. This is very possibly due to the reason that when business expands and grows in due course of time, the entrepreneur needs to play the role of implementer rather than of doer. The reason is obvious and simple. Operation of business becomes more and more complex with growth in business. The entrepreneur himself finds it difficult to deal with different and complex type of matters. Hence, she goes for decentralization of decision making through delegation of authority. This feature is quite evident in the family business in India like Tata, Birlas, and Ambanis. Although many people believe that entrepreneurs are motivated by money, but the equally important and sometimes more important factor motivating people to become entrepreneurs are the need for achievement and a desire for independence. There is ample research evidence available to believe that the desire to be one's own boss is what motivates and drives entrepreneurs around the world to accept all social, psychological, and financial risks and to work the large number of hours needed to create and develop a successful enterprise. In fact, nothing less than this motivation would be enough to motivate the entrepreneur to endure all the frustration and hardships to start and run his her business enterprise. Thanks.